PPE, including gloves, aprons, and eye protection, is crucial for food service management students and future managers to ensure safety protocols and compliance with Rule 1080 and OSHA standards. It minimizes risk of injuries, burns, and contamination, preventing accidents and maintaining cleanliness. Food handling involves medical examinations for workers to prevent foodborne illnesses. FSM professional ensures kitchen safety and by adhering to hygiene rules, allowing only healthy individuals to prepare and serve food, meeting DOLE and DOH regulations, protecting customers and building trust. Waste management is crucial for maintaining a clean and sanitary workplace, especially in food establishments like food service management. Proper segregation and disposal of waste and following Republic Act of 9003 and ISO 14001 ensures sanitary conditions, compliance with laws, environmental project, and sustainability. Pest control is crucial in food establishment to prevent diseases and contamination. FSM students are responsible for maintaining cleanliness, following schedules, and storing food properly. Following the Food Safety Act and Sanitation Code ensures compliance with national hygiene laws, maintaining a clean, trustworthy reputation in the food industry. Food safety relies on sanitation and hygiene, including proper uniforms, gloves, and hairnets. Maintaining sanitation in FSM ensures food handlers follow DOLE and DOH rules, preventing contaminations, health issues, and customer satisfaction.